Hi everyone. I just want to post this video to give instructions into how the next few days are gonna work. So um, first, I wanna address the fact that with COVID and with the changes that COVID has brought to our lives, it's been unfortunately that we have gone from not having for being in school asynchronous to being in school synchronous, having live classes, to now having to go back in person, not for everyone, but for a small group of people. So I know that Monday will be a little bit of a change in that we don't know exactly how Monday is gonna work. We don't know the challenges that are gonna come. So I just want to make sure that I post this video to ensure that you guys know what's gonna happen in the next 3 days. So on Monday, you're gonna have the opportunity to go over this handout to go over this handout. This is the two documents for the Unit 3 multiple choice summative. So your job is to read these documents and to analyze them and to understand what's happening here. Basically, what is the message that these people are sending. On Tuesday, you're gonna take the Unit 3 multiple choice. It's about 10 questions. Okay, so we're gonna take this summative. Um, and on Wednesday, for those of you that have standard time, you will have the opportunity to take the time that you need to finish. And for those of you that don't finish on Tuesday, you're gonna have time to finish on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, I'm gonna give you the time for you to basically do test corrections on the summative, or do test corrections for the Unit 3 SCR summative. Remember the summative we took at the beginning of January. So you can rewrite, get those points, or maybe do make up some work. So remember, Monday we're gonna be reviewing this. Tuesday we're gonna be doing the test. Wednesday we're gonna be finishing the test if the time is needed. um, I will be posting this handout on Thursday in case you guys want to get ahead and study. If you are somebody who's like, you know what, I can't, I just cannot do it, you can wait until Monday and just get it done, okay? But I just want to make sure that you have enough time for you to prepare yourself for the summative. Like I said, it's going to be 10 questions, simple, ready to go. So I just want to make sure that if that you know what's going on. If you have any questions, please message me. Or send me an email and I will do my best to respond in a timely manner. Okay? Have a fantastic weekend. Goodbye.